We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with TSLA, Tesla Inc. And we're going to break down some phenomenal news and what's going on in the charts and what I will be watching going into next week and the next few days. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned on Friday morning. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Tesla Inc. TSLA stock. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned that morning on Friday. It was a phenomenal way to end the week and end the year. And we're going to continue to strive for home runs every single day. And this is something you can become part of as well. And these are the stocks I mentioned. 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% is what each one gave us. But the home run was beyond expectations. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was consolidating after it went with strength and under a bull indicator. And from when we mentioned it towards the bell, it nearly went up 30% plus. And from the bell to its highest point, it gave 100% plus opportunity in a matter of just 30 minutes, guys. So if you want to get on early and know about these stocks before they take off, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TSLA stock, Tesla Inc. And the stock has been pretty volatile here based off the 30-minute and looking like it's going in a downward direction, right? When you zoom out from 1,200 all the way down to 800 and bouncing back pretty fast in 3 consecutive days back to back, almost 4, back up to 1,000. So those quick moves show you the anticipation of the possibility of this great news that we're about to break down. And we're also going to look at this with Ultimate 42 Vision. And by the way, you can now gain access as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. And by joining, you'll gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities with the premium indicators. So you could see there was a bull indicator since the 21st. It got a bear indicator, and it had another bull and bear indicator here, but you could see how significant it has been from that bear indicator of 1,100 to lows here of about 1,050 and some change. So what is the great news, and how is this going to hold up and possibly even reverse back up even higher and hold true what it's been showing on the 4-hour, right? Because the 4-hour has been bullish since way back here on the 22nd all the way up to this peak. And even though it's pulled back down and it has done a full transition, the only piece missing is white with red borders, meaning extreme weakness. I'll be watching for that as well, because usually after that comes a strong reversal. Some are weaker than others, some are stronger than others, and you can also see how sometimes white with red borders doesn't even pop up, and there's some really strong reversals. So I will be watching closely how it reacts at these levels. If no bear indicator pops up on the 4-hour, that means there's still some strength, and this could be the setup for the next bull run, right? So let's go ahead and break down the data and information that we are going to look at, and then we're going to break down some of the resistance and support levels you want to watch here based off the chart. So when we come over here, it says Tesla Q4 deliveries beat estimates despite supply chain woes. So right now the supply chain issue is almost looking like Tesla wasn't even completely affected by it, and it has done deliveries beyond expectations, an 87% growth in annual vehicle deliveries through the hurdles. Okay, so imagine if there was no hurdles, right? Imagine if there was no supply chain issues. I mean, these numbers could be even more outstanding. And this is just the beginning of further adoption of electric vehicles. Imagine as these cars continue to go down in price and the further adoption of electric vehicles continues to grow. I mean, Tesla is showing how it is one of the most dominant in its sector, if not it is the most dominant, and it's the top dog, and it has so much room to grow beyond these levels. I mean, even after all the selling pressure of Elon Musk and different board of directors and his brother and all these stuff making the stock go down a little bit, it is showing that the company itself, through all the process of the hurdles and despite the supply chain issues, this stock has more room to grow. I mean, everyone that's a bull on Tesla tends to be most of the time right since this stock ever existed, right? Like in the long term. Now, a lot of people say, and if you look up different videos and different articles talking about how shorting Tesla is not a good idea, you will see that time after time because the downward pressures are very short-lived, but the upward pressure is like the long-term story. Like if you just look at this has just been going up and up. Like I know this has been pretty volatile here near all-time highs and stuff, and it goes back up and down and up and down. And when you really look at it, it's kind of looking like it's going downwards through the up and down, right? But when you look at the bigger picture of how it got here and where it might keep on going, it's just this upward direction. And if I was to zoom in, right, into a point like, I guess maybe we could look at this point right here. This was once upon a time some high points, and it went up, it went down, it went up, it went down, it went up, it went back down. And then all of a sudden you zoom out and you could just see how Tesla just continued to go higher. I mean, this is a very resilient stock. I mean, it is showing it can endure through supply chain issues. That is very, very bold of Tesla to be able to do this. And the consumers are the ones helping this happen, right? Because they're the ones going and purchasing and making Tesla numbers beat their annual growth, right? Like with supply chain issues. That is pretty big. So what am I going to be watching for in Tesla? Well, the first support level I will be concerned about is $998. I would probably just round that up to $1,000. If it breaks through that, this could go into further weakness. It's the same case as it was before when it was in a downward direction before this news. If it broke through 1,000, it could go into further weakness, and it did. It went to 885. I said that in multiple videos, but now it's still a key level of support. Now, if it could stay above it or get close to it and bounce off of it, the first resistance level I want to see this breakthrough is 1,100, and then obviously the highest points up here of 1,117 for this to continue this upward direction from this bull indicator through this volatility and upwards to then get back up towards the 52-week high, which is $1,243. If it can break through that, this will test newer highs. This could take off, and this type of news is going to make this stock even more bullish because it went through the supply chain issues. It continues to show demand, and it continues to show resilience. And it's going to be very important now at these key levels to see what analysis ratings say and how they feel about this stock, even though it's a growth stock, going into this week and the next several weeks. As always, guys, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.